Good morning, Devashish.
Good morning, sir.
हमारा कितने दिन जाइतला
Good day. Sir, 172 for example.
We'll start up using package function in SQL. You use package function in SQL statement to execute a SQL statement that calls a member function. The Oracle database must know the function priority label. Priority label is the extent to which the function is free of side effect, which refers to accessing database tables, packages, variable, and so on for reading or writing. It is important to control side effect because then they can prevent the proper parallelization of a query, produce order dependent and therefore indeterminate result, requires impressible actions such as the maintenance of package state across user section. To execute SQL statement that calls a store function, the Oracle server must know the priority level of the function or the extent to which the function is free of side effect. The term side effect refers to accessing database tables, package variables, and so forth for the reading or writing. It is important to control side effect because they can prevent the proper parallelization of a query, produce order dependent and therefore indeterminate result, or require impressible actions such as the maintenance of package state across user section, right? तो SQL पैकेज रे तमर रेस्ट्रिक्शन कोन अछि जे तार जते प्रायोरिटी जहार जो अनुसार प्रायोरिटी से अनुसार एक्जिक्यूट करिवो एंड जदि तमर एक्जिक्यूशन टाइम रे जदि सेशन एक्सपायर हे गेला ताले सेटा को से माने क्वेरीटा को एक्जिक्यूट करिवो नाही प्रत्येकटी जिंसर गोटे टाइम फ्रेम अछि. In general, restriction are changes to database table or public package variable, those declared in a package specification. Restriction can delay the execution of a query, wild order dependent, therefore indeterminate result, or require that the package state variable be maintained across user section. Variable restriction are not allowed when a function is called from a SQL query or a DML statement, right? Controlling side effect of PL/SQL subprogram. To be callable from SQL statement, a store function must obey the following priority rules to control side effects. When called the select or parallelized DML statement, the function cannot modify any database table. When called from a DML statement, the function cannot query or modify any database table modified by that statement. When called from a select or DML statement, the function cannot execute SQL transaction control, section control, or system control statement. Right? Controlling side effect of PL/SQL subprogram. The fewer side effect a function has, the better it can be optimized within a query, particularly when the parallel enable or deterministic hints are used. Right? Parallelly अगर तुम जब execution करिया ପାଇଁ चाहूँचो ताले parallel option टाको ताको enable करिवार अछि, right? To be callable from SQL statement, a store function and any subprogram that it calls must obey the priority rules listed in the slide. The purpose of those rules is to control side effect. If any SQL statement inside the function body violated a rule, you get an error at runtime when the statement is passed. To check for priority rule violation at compile time, the user restricts reference paradigm to asset that a function does not read or write database table or package variables. In the slide, a DML statement refers to an insert, update, or delete statement. For information about using the restrict reference paradigm refers to the Oracle database PLSQL language reference to 11G release 2. Packing function in SQL example. Create or replace package name dela is function tags function bhitar more parameter pass kala return number. Then create or replace package body package na dela is function tags tar parameter dela returns number is v underscore rate number equal to 0.08 the value pass kala. Begin return tapre into gala p underscore value into v underscore rate आ भीतर जा भाला अछि सेटा मोर into करिवो मोर 0.08 रे मोर into करि right then select करी ताकू retrieve कला employee table से value रे retrieve कला एटा होछि तार output. The first code example in the slide shows how to create the package specification and the body encapsulating the tags function in the tags package. The second code example shows how to call the package tags function in the select statement. The result are as follows. Managing persistent package that state for the life of a section and using the associative RS index by tables and record in packages. Persistent state of package, the collection of package variable and the value define the package state. The package state is initialized when the package is first loaded. The by default for the life of the session stored in the user global area UGA unique to each section, subject to change when package subprogram are called or public variable are modified. Not preserved for the section but preserved for the life of a subprogram call when using paragraph. Serially reusable in the package specification. The collection of a public and private package variable represent the package state of the for the user section. That is, package state is the set of values stored in all the package variable at a given point in time. In general, the package state exists for the life of the user section. Package variable are initialized the first time a package is loaded into memory for a user section. The package variable are by default unique to each section and hold their values until the user section is terminated. In other words, the variable are stored in the user global area UGA memory allocated by the database for each user section. The package state changes when a package subprogram is invoked and its logic modified the variable state. Public package state can be directly modified by the operation appropriate to its type. Paragram signifies that the statement is a compiler. Directive programs are proceed at compile time, not at runtime. They do not affect the meaning of a program. They simply conveys information to the compiler. If you add paragrams serially reusable to package specification, then the database store package variable in the system global area. Share across user section. In this case, the package state is maintained for the life of a subprogram call or a single reference to a package constraint. The serially reusable directive is useful if you want to conserve memory and if the package state does not need to specify for each user section, right? Overall, जदि मु जदि तुमको आर मीनिंग जदि कहबी जदि कोनोसी वेरिएबल टाकू थ्रू आउट द सेक्शन रे मु ताकू मते ताकू यूज करिवार अछि ताले ताकू सीरियली रियूजेबल मते करिवार अछि राइट ताले से सेक्शन रे जेते सब मोर क्वेरी अछि से वेरिएबल टा सबु सेक्शन रे तमरो रीयूज हे परिबो नहले आगुरु हमर कोन होतले पर्टिकुलर जो क्वेरी रे हम जो वेरिएबल टा डिक्लेयर करथले से वेरिएबल टा हे गेला सेही क्वेरी पय लोकल वेरिएबल तो सेही क्वेरी रे ही मोर से वेरिएबल टा यूज जदि मते सेम वेरिएबल टाकू थ्रू आउट द सेक्शन जेते थरा मु ताकू मोर सेक्शन भीतर जहाँ भी क्वेरी अछि सब थरे मु ताकू एक्सेस करिया पेन चाहूची ताले सीरियली रियूजेबल मते यूज करिवार अछि सेटा जदि यूज करछि से वेरिएबल टा मोर थ्रू आउट द सेक्शन सब थरे मोर ग्लोबल हे गला राइट सब थरे मु ताकू एक्सेस कर पारि बुझला ओवरऑल मीनिंग होछि तार एटा this parameter is appropriate for package that declare large temporary work areas that are used once and not needed during subsequent database calls in the same section. You can mark a bodiless package as serially reusable. If a package has a specific and the body, you must mark both. You cannot mark only the body. The global memory for serially reusable package is collated in the system global area, not allocated into individual user in the user global area. That way, the package work area can be reused. When the call to the server ends, the memory is returned to the pool. Each time the package is reusable, it's public variable and initialized to their default value or to null. Note that serially reusable package cannot be accessed from the database trigger or other PLSQL subprogram that are called from a SQL statement. If you try, the Oracle server generates an error, right? Trigger रे केबे भी serial package ता तमरे यूज होबा serial reusable टा यूज होबा हला trigger टा कोन गोटे जगह रे मु एक्शन नेबी आ गोटे जगह रे फायर होबा सेति पई सेथिरे मोर serial reusable टा यूज हुए ना state of package variable for example जेमते एट दम दला scott execute package दला तार value दला तार event and तार सब ये दला एटा तुम देखि दबो तिके हला टेबल टा खाली create state set the state of package cursor for example create or replace package name dala procedure open kala procedure टाको open kala function next ता parameter दला ता से parameter रे भी value pass कला return boolean expression से दबो procedure close कला ऊपर part रे सेटा close करला cursor टाको भी close कला right cursor माने package टाको भी close कला then next section रे create or replace package body na dala cursor is select employee id from employees procedure open is begin if not cursor current section percentile is open then open cursor and if and open right eta tamara continue hobo slide re right in the example in the slide shows the cursor package specification and the body. The body declaration is continued in the next slide. To use this package, perform the following step to process the rows. Call the open procedure to open the cursor. Then, tamara puni se continue kala. Function next number dala. Then variable order declare kala dot employee underscore id percentile type. Begin for loop use kala count in one fetch it current section into v underscore employee underscore id exit kala then dbms dot output dot put underscore line tar se output show karibo end loop returns mora kala procedure close kala then se condition gote nela right call the next procedure to fetch one or a specified number of rows. If you request more rows than actually exit, the procedure successfully handled termination. It returns true if more row need to be proceed, otherwise it returns false. Call the close procedure to close the cursor before or at the end of processing the rows. Note that the cursor declaration is private to the package. Therefore, the cursor state can be influenced by invoking the package procedure and function listed in the slide. executing cursor package body dela package body tara dela right eta tara query dela eta tara output. Recall that the state of a package variable a cursor present across transaction within a section. However, the state does not present across different section for the same user. The database table holds the data that present across section and the user. The call to cursor package dot opens the cursor, which remains open until the section is terminated or the cursor is explicitly closed. The anonymous block execute the next function in the declaration section, initializing the Boolean variable b underscore more to true, as there are more than 3 rows in the employees table. That block check for the end of the result set and close the cursor. If appropriate, when the block execute, it display the first 3 rows. 3 row prathame display kala. Then if you click the run script F5 icon again, the next 3 rows are displayed, right? To close the cursor, you can issue the following command to close the cursor in the package. Exit the extend section, execute package dot close. Using associative array in package, create or replace package emp underscore package is type emp underscore table. Type is table of employees, percentage row types. Index by index number dala, mana index name dala. Procedure get employee, tapar tara parameter pass kala. Create or replace package body. ये जो mkg जो ये टा सेटा मोर कौन? ये थरे मोर तेरी right? Then procedure get employees parameter dala is binary trigger na dala setri value pass kala 0. For employee record in select asterisk from employees loop tapare loop chalela tapare moro loop ta continue kala. Associative array in packages. Associative array is used to be known in as index by tables. The package contains a get underscore employees procedure that reads row from the employees table and returns the row using the output parameter, which is an associative array. PLSQL tables of records, the key point include the following: employee underscore table underscore type is declared as a public type, right? सेटा मोर public type है तो throughout the program जो पहले सेटा को access कर पारी. Employee underscore table the underscore type is used for a formal output parameter in the procedure and the employee variable in the calling block shown below. In SQL Developer, you can invoke the get underscore employee procedure in an anonymous PLSQL block by using the v underscore employees variable as shown in the following example and output. Set dala server output dala on declare variable pass kala moro eti v underscore employees kaha upare moro package upare dot moro eta kono index bujla begin package dot मोर get employee get underscore employees मोर variable pass कला माने ए जो retrieve जो हबो एटा कोड जे स्टोर हो variable भीतर तो सेटा मोर एठी पास कर दला तापर मोर variable टा को शो कर दला राइट आउटपुट देखै दला तो मोर जोटा भी मोर अछि सेटा मते शो कला आउटपुट जहा आसी बुझला. Using Oracle supplied package in application development, এটা আমি কালি স্টার্ট করি, এটা 5th number chapter, হলা তো মার্চ 2nd week সুদ্ধা মু সাথ দেই.